Tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that.
Welcome back, beauties. D.Beasley here. As you can tell from the title of this video, here is the first look of the new year. Happy New Year, everybody. I hope you all had a very safe New Year's Eve, New Year. Mine was cool. It wasn't too bad. I wanted to come on here and do this look for you all because I really was feeling like recording. Like, I had not been in the mood, to be honest with you, but I wanted to record this look, use a little bit of glitter, show a little bit of wing action going on. I got a little bit of highlight popping off, and yeah, it's really simple. I use the Huda Beauty Nude palette. This is a very gorgeous palette. I was a little bit skeptical about it at first because it looks really pale. Like, some of the shades are really pale looking, but they're absolutely gorgeous. Like, they're beautiful. And these are like pressed glitters right here. I use the shade Infatuated, which is right here. This is a pressed glitter. I put that on my lid. And a little bit of the deeper burgundy shade, which is Love Bite. I absolutely love the look that came out. I'm very much into these tones, so I took a chance on purchasing this palette because a lot of people, including myself, thought that it would not look good on deeper skin tone, and I was absolutely wrong. I went ahead and used this. I've used it maybe one time before, maybe 2 times before, but not like in-depth type of, you know, let me use this. But I used this. I also used a lippy from Crayon Case called Bear. I used a highlighter from the Crayon Case called the Honor Roll highlighter, which is this highlighter right here. It's absolutely humongous. And I actually use a new style in my lashes called Sis. If you all have not, I'm pretty sure y'all don't know if y'all don't follow me on Instagram or Facebook, but I started my own lash line called Slade Lashes. They're basically like 3D mink lashes, and you can wear them up to like 25 to 30 times, depending on like the wear and tear and, you know, how good you are to the lashes. But yeah, I started that. I have 8 styles so far. 1 has sold out. I started out with 4, then I added 4 more, but one of the first 4 sold out in the style Honey, and people love that one. I've really been selling them more local now, but I'm gonna show you the style that I have on now. Let me get a new pair, hold on. So this is my packaging here, and it just has Slade Lashes in the metallic lettering, and it has all of my information on the back here. And this is in the style Sis. These are the ones that I have on. And they're just a really natural lash. I absolutely love them. But again, these are in the style Sis. They're the ones that I have on. I absolutely love these lashes. The lashes, you can't feel them. The band is very, very light. So that's like my absolute favorite part of the lashes. Even the fuller, more premium styles. I have like some premium styles, which they're more of the thicker band. I have those. And even those, you can barely feel them. That's like my most favorite part about my lashes. These are like my little babies, so I I treat them as if they're my kids, absolutely. But I wanted to show you all a pair of those lashes. I basically just go through and do this look. I used a brow pomade by LA Girl because the one I got from the Crayon Case, this is in ebony, it's too dark. It's not like the ebony from, and I think I may have just, it's so creamy, I think I just put too much on my brush. But if you want to check out my lashes and see what styles I have available, just check out my website, beautybydbeasley.com. I'll place it down here in the bottom, and as well as in the description box. Yeah, there's pictures of the lashes on my site. There's a way for you to review if you've ever purchased my lashes, and if you've ever purchased my lashes, thank you very much. Like I said, I have not said anything here, but I know I told y'all before, like, I'm trying to like expand my brand, so this is a part of it. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching.